Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss perimeter and area assignment. So in that the first question is from the below figure are the two triangles of equal area. Find the area of the triangle. Now the given figure is ABCD is a one rectangle and the breadth is 5 centimeter, length is 8 centimeter. We need to show that these two triangles are equal. When we can show these two triangles are equal, when the two triangles are congruent, then we can say that their areas also equal. In 7th chapter we have learned congruency of triangles concept. So here I am having the two triangles. So the one by one triangle I am taking from triangle ABC and triangle ACD. This is one triangle and this is a one triangle. Here, if you take this, AB is equal to CD. Why? Because opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It is given in the question. Next, AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. It is also given in the question. Next, it is what? It is a for this triangle, it is a common side. AC is equal to AC, it is common side. Now see here, it is a side, and it is a side. So all three sides of a triangle, corresponding sides of two triangles are equal. We call it as the two triangles are congruent by S congruency. By S congruency, we can say as triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ACD. If the two triangles are congruent, then their areas are equal. If two triangles are congruent, then their areas are equal. That is, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ACD. Now what we need to find? Now we need to find the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half of it is a rectangle. Half of area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle formula? Half into length into breadth. Half into the length is 8 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter. 2 1 2 4 that is equal to 20 centimeter square. So here we have proved that two triangles are congruent, and we have proved that area, we have find area of the triangle is 20 centimeter square. Now if you go to the second question, what is the second question is? The second question is there is one square of side 5 centimeter. There is a one square of side 5 centimeter. So it is imagining as A, B, C, D. So here what we need to prove is we need to prove that all the triangles, here the square is divided four triangles. We need to show that all the triangles are congruent triangles. How we take congruent triangles is nothing but all the triangles are equal in area. How we can find this is, see here. So it is the intersecting point I am assuming as O. Now here I am taking this triangle and this triangle. From triangle AOD, triangle COD. What we can say here? We can say that here this angle is equal to this angle. Vertically opposite angles. We have learned in lines and angle chapter. Triangle angle AOD is equal to angle COD. Vertically opposite angle. Now see here, we know that the diagonals of a square bisect each other. That is, this is equal to this. That is, AO is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. Without diagonals bisect each other. Here also. Now see here, it is an angle, it is a side, it is a side. So by SAS congruency, we can say that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD. So if two triangles are congruent, their areas are equal. Therefore, area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle COD. Now, similarly, we can prove that this area is equal to this area and this area is equal to this area. So therefore, we can say that all triangles are equal in area. But suppose they will ask find the area of each triangle. Then how we can find one here? Area of triangle is equal to how many four parts are there? That is 1 by 4 into area of square. So that is 1 by 4 into area square is side into side. 1 by 4 into side is 6.25 into 6.25. 25 by 4 is 6.25 centimeter square is the area of triangle. Next, if you go to the third question, the third question is there is one rectangular sheet. A, B, C, D of length 6 centimeter, of breadth 4 centimeter, and this rectangle cutted with a line segment EF. So it is a 4 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter. They have given. Now we need to find that these two quadrilaterals are equal in area. That means what we need to show? We need to show these two quadrilaterals are congruent. See here, AB is equal to CD, AB is equal to FC, BF is equal to ED, and EF is a common. Each and every corresponding parts of quadrilaterals are equal. That means what? The two quadrilaterals are congruent figures. If the two quadrilaterals are congruent, their areas are equal. That is, as all corresponding parts of quadrilaterals are equal. Therefore, quadrilateral ADFC is congruent to quadrilateral FCDE. So when the two quadrilaterals are congruent, they are in equal in area. That is, area of ADFC is equal to area of ACDE. Now what we need to find? We need to find area of each congruent part. Area of each congruent part. Each congruent part is equal to area of each congruent part is equal to these two are the equal parts. It is a rectangle, that is half of the area of rectangle. Half of the area of rectangle, that is 1 by 2 into what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. 1 by 2 into what is the length here? The length is 6, breadth is 4. 2 1 are 2 3 are 3 into 4, that is 12 centimeter square. Next, if you go to the fourth question, here, what is the fourth question is the question is each of the following rectangles of length 6 cm, breadth 4 cm is composed of congruent polygon. Find the area of each polygon. Find the area of each polygon. Now here I am having these are all the diagram oriented questions. So here I am having a first polygon is it is a one rectangle. It is a one rectangle. The rectangle is divided into 6 parts. Here what they have given in the question? They have given in the question is each part is a congruent. Each part is a congruent. That means each part is equal in area. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts are there. So therefore area of each part is equal to area of each part is equal to how many parts are there? 1 by 6 into area of rectangle. 1 by 6 into area of rectangle is length into breadth. They have given length is 6 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. That is 1 by 6 into 4 into 6. 6 cancel. That is 4 centimeter square area of each part. Now if you go to the second question, the second question is there is a rectangular figure which is divided into 4 congruent polygons of length 6 cm, breadth 4 cm. Now you see here 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 equal parts we will be having. So area of each polygon is equal to 1 by 4th of area of rectangle. 1 by 4th of length into breadth. 1 by 4th of length is 6, breadth is 4. 4 cancel. That is 6 centimeter square is the area of rectangle. Area of each part. Next, we come to the third figure. If we come to the third figure, so here it is a third figure of length 6 cm, breadth 4 cm. Now we need to find the area of each part. Area of each polygon. Area of each polygon is equal to, that is 1 by 2 into, why 1 by 2? Why? Because there are 2 equal parts we will be having. 1 by 2 into area of rectangle. 1 by 2 into length into breadth. 1 by by 2 into length is 6, the breadth is 4. 2 ones are 2 3s are, that is 12 centimeter square. Next, if you come to the fourth figure, the fourth figure is so it is a one rectangle. It is divided into two equal parts of length 6 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter. It is also divided into two equal parts. Then area of each polygon. Area of each polygon is equal to, that is 1 by 2 into area of rectangle. 1 by 2 into length into breadth. 1 by 2 into length is 6, breadth is 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 12 centimeter square is the area of each part. Next, if you go to the fifth question is, there is a one rectangle. It is divided into here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is divided to 8 congruent polygons. It is a length is 6 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. Then what is the area of each polygon? Area of each polygon is equal to 1 by 8 into area of rectangle. That is 1 by 8 into length into breadth. 1 by 8 into 6 into 4. 1 by 8 into 24. 8 ones are 8 threes are. That is 3 centimeter square is the area of each polygon. So that's all this assignment, everyone. Thank you.